Today, we are going to look into grid method multiplication trick. There are many ways to solve the multiplications, but today we are going to have a look on the grid method multiplication trick. Let's take 26 into 2. All the magic lies in the drawing of grid. You have to draw the grid lines like this. On the top, multiplicand and side multiplier. 2 times 0, 4. 6 2 times 12. And now, how many numbers we have here? Only 2. So write down 2 as it is. Now 4 plus 1, 5. The answer is 52 into 4. Now again we have to draw the grids. This is very easy method, children. 173 on the top and 4 to the side. 1 4s are, that in the sense 1 4 times 0 4. 7 4 times 28. 3 4 times 12. Now, what do we have in this line? Only 2. So write down 2. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer 692. Now let's go over the 34. Multiply with 27. 34 on the top, 27 on the side, children. 3 2 times 0 6. 3 7 times 21. 4 2 times 0 8. 4 7 times 28. Now how many numbers we have here? Only one number, 8. Carry the 8 as it is. Now 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So one digit here and the other digit to the next line. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 918 into 12. So we have to draw the grid again. How many numbers? Those many boxes we have to arrange so that we will not get any kind of confusion. 43 on the top and 12 on the side. 4 1 times 4. 4 2 times 8. 3 1 times 3. 3 2 times 6. How many numbers we have here? Only one. So 6 as it is. 8 plus 3, 11. One this side and the other one this side, 11. Now 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 516. Take 0. We always confuse to do with the 0. Either it is addition or subtraction, multiplication or division. Let's do 0 with grid method. So we will not get any kind of confusion. Multiplicand and the multiplier. 9 9 times 81. 9 0 times 0. 0 9 times 0. 0 0 times 0. So here we have 0. Copy it as it is. Here all zeros. Copy it as it is. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 as it is. So the answer is 8100. 210, and we are going to multiply with 10. Let's draw the grid box. So we have here 3 that we have to draw accordingly. Like this. Multiplicand on the top and multiplier on the side. 1 one time, 1. 0 one times, 0. 2 0 times, 0. 1 0 times, 0. 0 0 times, 0. So 0 here. In this box also, we got 0. And here we got 1. And here we got 2. So when you multiply 210 with 10, we will get 2100 as answer. Thank you so much, children. Keep watching.